welcome back. Today we are up at our cabin and we're gonna go ride the RZR. We have the track system on the RZR, the full enclosed cab, but there's no heater in it. And riding around in the snow is great, except it gets pretty cold. And coincidentally, the other day, Bouge RV sent us a seat heater to test out. Our intent was to test in the car, but since we're up here at the cabin and it's snowy and cold, we figured what better way to test it than throw it in the RZR and see how it does. That way, Kara's not quite as cold. So here we have the seat heater. It's just a little cover that goes over your seat from Bouge RV. The link will be down below, and it hopefully will work pretty good. And we'll let you know how it does. It makes the ride more enjoyable, hopefully. First thing we have to do is see if these seats will fit it. It should, or we'll make it work.
Alright, it's pretty straightforward. Strap to go over the headrest, a couple of bungees to go down through, and then a couple of hooks to hook on underneath.
Yeah, it's pretty easy.
From that point, you have your cigarette lighter system, I should say. So, anyways, let me get this going. Just getting our seat all velcroed in, and now I'm going to figure out where to, I guess, hook this right there.
Yeah, that'll work. Just to show how cold it is, you can see all the ice frozen down in the bottom. So,
alright, this is our power source. Here. And our little toggle here, high, low, off, and heat. I guess let's go high to get it going.
yeah, that way we can fill.
I don't know if the vehicle needs to be on.
The light's on, so it should be working.
Okay.
All right, Kara's all in. Let's go see if this thing works, right?
Yes.
Go for a ride.
Question for you. Please share your thoughts below. Would you own an RV or own a cabin, or would you skip both of those and just hotel it? Let us know your feedback.
So we've been out for about half an hour now.
I would say so, yes.
Yeah, pretty close. And I'm gonna switch. I'm gonna try the seat heater and see how it's working. Kara has been using it, and what do you think so far?
It's been good. It really has been. I can tell that there's some kind of warmth coming from the seat. It's just not cold leather.
Yeah, so we'll try it out on the way back. It's beautiful out here today. If you have a chance to go out riding something in the snow, it's always the best. Whether it's snowmobiles, a side-by-side with tracks on it, side-by-side just on its tires, out in your car. I mean, I don't know if it gets any better than snow riding. We are loving this RZR on tracks. It goes so well in the snow. It just crawls right along. It's not a speed machine by any means, but it's just great. Does exactly what we need to up here at the cabin. I think I'm gonna let Kara drive the rest of the way because this seat heater's nice. She can sit there with frozen cheeks. As you can see, no blankets here. Blankets over in the driver's seat to sit on to try to warm up. This thing worked so good. After an hour-long ride through the different cabin properties and checking everything out and just enjoying the snow, that seat heater worked really, really well. We were planning on taking it home and putting it in my car because it doesn't have seat heaters, but I was just informed by my parents that it's staying here in the RZR.
Yes.
So they took it out for a spin as well, and they said, okay, where do we order them? And this one stays here. So if you're looking for a cheap, affordable way to get seat heaters in your car or in your side-by-side or whatever, it's like $39 or $39.99 or something like that. Not very much. We'll put the link down below to Bouge RV, and you can buy it right through them. This thing works great for us so far.
So as shown, we usually are sitting on blankets to just get that chill away from underneath you. So this was really nice. I can actually feel it through my back, through my seat, and a little bit down my legs, wherever the seat cover was. So it was really nice to have that little bit extra warmth and to take the chill away.
Yeah, it felt really nice.
Really nice, actually.
Usually I like to drive, and I was perfectly fine letting Kara drive, and I could sit on the seat warmer. So if you get a chance, check them out, Bouge RV. And thanks for sending that for us to review. It's been great for us so far.
It has been so far.
Yeah.
We'll keep you posted, see how long it lasts, if there's any issues with it. But so far, so good.
So far, it sounds like we're getting 4 more.
It does.
All right. Well, thanks for watching. And as always, like, subscribe, all those sort of things. It really helps us out. And enjoy your weekend.